Good morning. Welcome back, children. Children, in our previous session, we have started doing our exercises given after the text. We have learned where to keep the things at home, and we even learned words with similar meanings, isn't it? And we even prepared a timetable for the things you do in the evening. I remember, children, I gave you homework for the things you do in the morning, isn't it? Did you write? Yes, children, you might have written and posted in your WhatsApp groups. Very good, children. So, children, do you remember how Sita helped her mother in cleaning her room? You also help your mothers, isn't it? Yes. So, now let's see how your friends are helping their mothers at home. And we'll write down the things they are doing in our page number 34, that is vocabulary A bit. Okay, children?
I help my mother in folding clothes.
So, Charita is helping her mother in folding clothes. That's nice, Charita. Now, let's see Sanvi what she is doing to help her mother.
I help my mother in cleaning house.
Very good, Sanvi. So, you're helping your mother in cleaning house. Yes, now let's see what Ranvita is doing to help her mother.
I help my mother in cooking.
Nice of you, Ranvita. See, children, Ranvita is helping her mother in cooking. Now, let's see Sanvi. She's doing something else to help her mother. Come on, let's see Sanvi.
I help my mother in filling water.
Oh, Sanvi is filling water. Very good, Sanvi. You're doing many things to help your mother. Now, let's see Charita. What is she doing?
I help my mother in chopping vegetables.
Oh, Charita. So you're helping your mother in chopping vegetables. Very good, Nana. Come on now, let's see Ranvita. She's helping her mother in some other way. Come, let's see.
I help my mother in washing utensils.
Oh, Ranvita, you're too good, Ranvita. So you're cleaning utensils to help your mother. That's nice. Now let's again see Sanvi what she's doing to help her mother.
I help my mother watering plants.
Sanvi is watering plants. మీరందరూ కూడా చేస్తారు కదా ఈ పనులన్నీ. That's nice, children. You keep going. You have to help your mother. Okay, now let's see Danvi what she is doing to help her mother.
I help my mother in mopping the floor.
Yes, so Danvi is helping her mother in mopping floor. Very good, children. So మీరందరూ కూడా ఈ పనులన్నీ చేస్తారు కదా ఇంట్లో. I know you are very good. So you have to help your mother in cleaning house and in sometimes in cooking, and you have to fill water bottles, and you have to help her in chopping vegetables and in cleaning utensils, and also you have to water your plants daily, and you have to mop your floor, and you have to help your mother in folding clothes. Okay, children, you have to do all these things at home. You must help your mother. Okay. Okay, children, come let's do our grammar part in page number 35. Read the following sentences taken from the story. Sita picked up her books and put them on the table. Sita put her books in the school bag carefully. Sita pushed the box under the cot. Here, the words on, in, and under are used to tell where things are kept. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, ఇక్కడ మనము అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా మీరు? ప్రతి సెంటెన్స్లో ఒక హైలైటెడ్ వర్డ్ ఉంది అండ్ దోస్ ఆర్ ఆన్, ఇన్ అండ్ అండర్. సో దీస్ వర్డ్స్ మనం ఎందుకు యూస్ చేస్తాము, ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేస్తామంటే టు టెల్ వేర్ ద థింగ్స్ ఆర్ కెప్ట్. ఆ థింగ్స్ మనం ఎక్కడ పెట్టామో చెప్పడానికి మనం ఈ 3 వర్డ్స్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. చూడండి ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్లో చూడండి, సీత పిక్డ్ అప్ బుక్స్ అండ్ పుట్ దెమ్ ఆన్ ద టేబుల్ అంటున్నాం. అంటే ఎక్కడ పెట్టింది? టేబుల్ పైన పెట్టింది కదా. సో టేబుల్ పైన పెట్టింది అని చెప్పడానికి వాట్ వర్డ్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఆన్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? అండ్ దెన్ సీత పుట్ హర్ బుక్స్ ఇన్ ద స్కూల్ బ్యాగ్, అంటే స్కూల్ బ్యాగ్ లోపల పెట్టింది అనడానికి వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇన్. అండ్ సీత పుష్ ద బాక్స్ అండర్ ద కాట్, కాట్ కింద పెట్టింది కాబట్టి అక్కడ మనం అండర్ అనే వర్డ్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో పైన, కింద, లోపల పెట్టింది అని చెప్పడానికి మనము ఈ 3 వర్డ్స్ యూస్ చేసాం. పైన పెడితే వి యూజ్ ఆన్, అండ్ లోపల పెడితే వి యూజ్ ఇన్, అండ్ కింద పెడితే వి యూజ్ అండర్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, గాట్ ఇట్? సో వి యూజ్ దీస్ 3 వర్డ్స్ ఆన్, ఇన్ అండ్ అండర్ టు టెల్ వేర్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ కెప్ట్. థింగ్స్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టాము అని చెప్పడానికి వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దీస్ 3 వర్డ్స్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, గాట్ ఇట్? నౌ షల్ వి వాచ్ ఎ వీడియో? Hi friends, do you remember me? Yes, I am Moktika, your friend. I have cleaned my room with your help. Now I am going to show you where I kept my things. Are you ready? Shall we learn something new? Come with me. On, in, under, on, in, under, on, in, under. Where is my book? On the table. Yes. On, in, under, on, in, under, on, in, under. Where is my jacket? In the shelf. Yes. On, in, under, on, in, under, on, in, under. Where is my toy box? Under the table. Yes. On, in, under, 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 on, in, under. Where is my teddy? On the bed. Yes. On, in, under, on, in, under, on, in, under. Where is my dog? In the box. Yes. On, in, under, on, in, under, on, in, under. Where is my ball? Under the chair. Yes. On, in, under, 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 on, in, under. Bye bye. Children, hope you understood when and where to use on, in and under. Okay, now let's write the answers for these questions in page number 35. Look at the pictures given below and answer the following in full sentences. Okay children, come on, see the picture. Yes, there is a chair and a cat. Okay, now tell me, where is the cat? Yes children, very good. the cat is under the chair. Very good. Let's see the next question. Yes, children, see the picture? There is a house and a dog. Now tell me, where is the dog? Yes, the dog is on the house. Very good, children. Let's see the next one. Yes. See this picture? Where are the shoes? Yes, the shoes are in the box. Yes, children. In. The shoes are in the box. Very good, children. Now let's see few more pictures and answer. Okay? Yeah. Tell me, where is the bag? Yes. Very good. The bag is on the bench. Good, children. Let's see one more. See this picture? Where are the books? Yes, children. The books are in the tray. Very good. Let's see another one. Yes. Now see this picture and tell me, where is the water bottle? Yes, children. The water bottle is under the chair. Good. Now tell me, where are the pens? Yes, the pens are in the pen stand. Very good, children. Teacher, tell me, where is the chalk piece? Yes, the chalk piece is on the books. Very good, children. Very good. The chalk piece is on the books. Yes, children. See this picture and tell me, where is the pot? Yes, the pot is under the chair. Very good. Let's see one more. See, children, where is the dog in this picture? Yes, the dog is under the stool. Very good. Under. Very good, children. Yes, children, in this picture, where is the dog? Yes, it is on the stool. Yes, children. Good. Now tell me, where is the dog in this picture? Yes, it is in the box. Very good, children. Now, I think you understood where to use on, in and under. You're perfect, isn't it? Good, children. Well done. So, children, now you have understood where to use on, in and under. So, your homework is make your own sentences using these three words. Okay, children? Do your homework and post it to your teachers.